Welcome to Cleerline's resource video. In this video, we will demonstrate fiber optic insertion loss testing using the Cleerline SSF-TKITE-200 OLS/OPM testing kit on single-mode fiber terminated with LC connectors. Required materials are SSF-TKITE-200 kit with included single-mode light source and power meter, and one simplex LC-to-LC single-mode reference cable, simplex LC-to-LC adapter, two LC-to-SC adapters, cable under test, one-click type cleaner for SC connectors being the 2.5mm part SSF-1CLK-SC, one-click type cleaner for LC connectors being the 1.25mm part SSF-1CLK-LC, using the light source and power meter. For full information on light source and power meter functions, please refer to the included instruction manual. The light sources and power meter can be identified by labels on the front of each unit. This kit includes two light sources, one for use with single mode marked SM and one for use with multi-mode marked MM. When testing, ensure that the light source used matches the cable under test. The keys and indicator included in all units are as following. Power button. This also controls the auto shutdown function. Wavelength. This key activates the laser and controls the wavelength in nanometers. Keys specific to the light sources are Mode. Controls laser frequency. Backlight. Keys specific to the power meter are Reference. This sets the current power value in decibel milliwatts as the reference value. Measurement setting. Sets measurement to decibel milliwatts or nanowatts. Screen data. Items indicated on all screens are wavelength, battery level, auto shutdown status. Auto off appears when the auto shutdown is enabled. Items indicated on the light source screen are as follows. Output power. Items indicated on the power meter screen are as follows. Power value. Reference power value will appear on the upper right-hand corner. Light source outputs. The light source for single mode testing marked SM operates at 1310 or 1550 nanometers. The light source for multimode testing marked MM operates at 850 or 1300 nanometers. Note that the laser does not operate at visible wavelengths. Light will not be visible when the laser is active. To avoid the risk of eye damage, do not look into the laser at any time. You are now ready for testing. First, turn on your optical light source marked SM for single mode and optical power meter marked OPM. Quick press the power button again on each unit to disable the auto off function. On both power meter and light source for single mode testing, set wavelength to 1310 nanometers. On light source, set to 0 Hz. Remove dust caps from the power meter and the light source. Take LC and SC adapters and remove the dust caps. Clean end using the one-click type cleaner and plug into the light source and power meter. Take single mode LC reference cable and remove dust cap. Clean end using the one-click type cleaner. Plug into the light source. Clean other connector and plug into the power meter. Press and hold the reference button until the power meter screen reads 0 decibels. This sets the reference value for the test. Unplug the reference cable from the power meter side only. Clean the connector and attach to the LC to LC female adapter. Clean end of cable under test. Plug into adapter and attach to the reference cable. Clean free end of cable under test and plug cable under test into power meter. The new decibel value visible on the power meter screen is the test result. You have now finished the test of your single mode LC to LC cable. Continue testing or power off their units. For loss budget calculation, please refer to the included FOA guidelines in the kit. For each connector under test for TIA/EIA standards, allow a 0.75 dB per mechanical connector. Single mode will have an acceptable loss of 1.0 dB per kilometer for inside premise and 0.5 dB per kilometer for outside plant. This roughly translates to 0.1 dB per 300 feet or 0.1 dB per 600 feet. Thank you for watching our instructional video on testing single mode LC to LC cables with the TKITE-200. For more information, please visit our website at www.cleerline.com/resources.